to my MTV cribs, y'all. I'm just playing. This is the official dorm tour for spring 2025. Over here we have the kitchen. Now I'm not gonna do too deep over here because it is a shared space, but this is what our kitchen looks like. Over here we have our living room. We got a beautiful couch. Now I'm a little extra, okay, and I had to put a whole couch cover and some pillows and a blanket to really give it some spice. And then we got the TV. I'll be watching a lot of movies on there, y'all, okay? Over here we got the kitchen table. You know, I wanted to be Valentine's, so I kind of just went to Dollar Tree and I got these cute little decorations. This is my bathroom, y'all. So as you watched my other vlog, I also had my Hello Kitty soap dispenser and all my essentials right here for like my face washing and stuff. And then that's the bathroom and the shower. So next we're gonna go into my room. This is my room, y'all. Ain't it cute? I think it is so cute and so simple and clean. I'm not sure if the last time you saw a dorm tour vlog of mine that I had a different bed set. So I just had to update it real quick. You know, you should always update your bed sets every 2 years. You don't know what you're feeling, what the vibe is. So I just got my cute little decorative pillows, my 3 blankets because the girl love a blanket, and I love me this nice little black comforter. It's really cute. So then you come over here and you just have like my charging station. So you just have my plugs, my AirPods, my water bottle. Then you also have my laptop and iPad, just my little workstation. And then you kind of shift over here and then you have my makeup stuff. So you just have my makeup vanity. Then you just have my makeup stuff over here on a little carousel. And then you also just got my speaker and my projector too. Real cute, real simple, real clean. Then over here you have my scissor poster. So then we have the fan over here. So I only use this when it gets a little hot outside. It's winter, so it's not too hot in here. So then over here we just have my little dresser station. So at the top we have my purses, and then you just kind of have like a little knick-knack, little junk row for where all my supplies go, and like my pictures and my sentimentals. And then down here you also have my smell goods and my jewelry. So my perfume, my jewelry drawers that I can come in and out as well. And then sometimes I'll be putting my purse on top of here. And then the drawers down here, you just have like underwear, you have your leggings, you have your sweatpants, and you have your jeans on the bottom. Then go over to the closet. Now the closet space is a little small than I'm used to because my last room I had 2, but it's okay. We got a lot of storage under there, and there's also a lot of storage under the bed too. But it's just a bunch of bags. But other than that, this is the end of my dorm tour vlog. It's not as in-depth as the other ones that I've been to because this is a shared apartment, but I really just wanted to show you guys my room and what I decorated and what my last year in college looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and to follow my socials at the end, and stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.